Hello, my name is Abigail Tekla.
Yes.
This is Hosier.
My name is
Anne Tekla. A boy named Hosier. Half day.
And my name is Anya.
Okay. And today we are going to do this is the 10th day. Okay, we are going to do 14 times. We're going to do this 14 times.
I know
And my father will do it 70 times for it. And my father is going to do 210. I know that is very, very unbelievable. Okay, so we got weights. If you don't have weights, that's fine. You can just do the leg crunch with us.
And
I'm not sure what my father has in mind, but I definitely know that I think he's going to do some this. Okay. What do you have? What do you have?
I'm just sharing the content so then people can join us.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Proceed.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Forward or to your back. Put this away.
Okay.
Lie
So,
down.
لما أنتي أياك تكونش لومي بتعتيها.
Yeah.
ስለዚህ we will do only one set.
Just one for me.
Lean over.
And then we'll be able to.
Come on, concentrate. Alright. እንኳን ኹም መጻኹም ኩላትኩም ስለዚ ሎሚ ካብዚ እንዳበርትዐት እያ ክትከይድ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ በዓል ራእይ ሓንቲ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ሓንቲ ሳይክል ክገብራ
Okay. The other leg now.
Okay.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, this is so good.
Feels like I'm swimming in the beach.
Yeah.
Daddy, do you know what I feel like when I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Like surfing, the one swimming in the ocean.
Yeah. Swimming in the ocean at the same time and swimming. And surfing.
ouch.
Oh, stop saying ouch. So good. It's so good.
Daddy, I think if things happen to me, I don't mean good at things happen.
Okay.
Know that.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Daddy, you know things off the hat on her bottom. Abby,
What's that? Come on, stay into the plan.
Abby,
Is that in the plan? Okay, let's go this way.
Abby, did you know Mama saves off the hat on her bottom?
Let's see.
Funny, yeah.
Concentrate. Okay, now climb, mountain climb
Yay.
from here.
It's not mountain climbing.
I know. First you do mountain climb. From here, you go head down.
You head down, let you swing up. Like you're swimming. And then you go up again. And the whole thing happens all over again. Nice.
Let's see the space a little bit. Well done.
Wow.
Now space the same.
Wow.
Don't bend your knee when you get down. Yeah, step. There. No, not fingers. Palm. There you go. That's the speed. Yeah. Again, do it. Again, push and then go. That's it. No, wait there. Push up. Shoulders push up. Oh, see, give me a bit of space, please. I need a bit more space, please.
Yeah, pretty big.
You're like a big wave, Dada. Just trying to spring up.
Leg dogs. Leg the pups.
Okay. So this one is enough for now.
Okay.
Enough position.
Leg crunch.
No. Okay. You got to do this.
I remember I do this in.
Yeah. Also open your shoulders.
I'm still in
And
the
then?
basket.
Change it.
If you haven't known, I'm actually a gymnast.
Me too.
Right. Okay.
Me too. Me too.
Okay.
Me too. I am.
You
Me
do
too.
this.
I can flip this
Oh,
way
wow.
or that way. Okay.
God. Now you can see everything. Well, that's new.
Okay. Right. Position. Push up position, please.
Push up.
Hossie, push up. Hossie, you need to concentrate a little bit. Come on.
Nice and firm. Your legs must be firm.
Give me a bit of space in between.
Okay, move us in.
Okay.
Your legs must be firm enough to hold it.
Okay. Hossie. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Then elbows in, out, bring it. One. Let's start with this. Up. Straight up. Not like this. The whole straight. That's it. Push. And then down. Elbows in.
This can hold your back. If you're suffering.
Don't go like this, Ragala. You're not a snake.
Okay.
Straight. Your back should be very straight. Up. That's it. That's it. Hold on. Hold on, Missy. Up. Alright.
If you're suffering from back pain, do this. It might hurt your back, but then your back can get better.
Go forward a little bit, Missy. Like this. There it is. Almost.
I love clothes. But I think I love clotes.
Should just. Up.
I guess there's
Shot.
one. But this week, then you
Amazing.
Then one and two is free.
Give your energy now.
And it has
Shot.
stars.
Get down. No, don't go like this up, my buddy. Whole body straight up. Okay?
Daddy,
When you do it, that's the spirit. Yeah.
Daddy, one day I heard you took a nice the blonde and then put it into your book.
حجي زي ما ولا يقدموا شو كل وقت نكرني
And
خارج.
that was mine.
Yeah.
Stickers.
Yeah.
Why did you take it from me?
I just kept it for you. I saved it for you. That's all.
You didn't want to let me take it?
No, I didn't take it. I just saved it for you. Now,
Yeah,
show
was I
Shate.
about to take it?
No, no one was gonna take it. It was yours. It was saved there. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes even
لا تكني كل جزء. حجي نريد. شعته. Okay. Position. Position. Yeah, that's the straight one. أسرته. واو سيء. أسرته هذا. أسرته هذا. أسرته.
sit back.
Straight up. Come on, Missy. Come on, Missy. Straight up. Up. That's it. Alright, one more. Yeah.
Okay.
أسرته. أربعة.
Daddy, enough to say
No?
class.
Pick up your leg, your weights.
Wait, this is my weight.
Weights will hurt your back, but it's good. Okay. Now, be careful with your weights.
Come back.
It's very, very strong.
Come back here. Let's see, stay there.
Now look.
So that we can have a bit of space. There. Okay? Now we're going to put it here. And then we're going to do leg crunch.
Like this.
Well, I'm leader. Copy me. Go. I beg pardon.
No, I got it. Let me show you. Because you're doing leg crunch, it's, look, you're going to do, hold it tight. Okay? You're going to do 14 times. Right?
One time.
One cycle, but 14 times. Ready? Let's see, you need, do you want to go? Let's see, do you want to stay or do you want to go? Well then concentrate, okay? Roxy, you got this. You're amazing. You got this, yeah?
Clip
Tell me I got this. Tell me I got this. Tell me I got this. Well done. Let's go.
Mushka.
Forward.
Mushka.
Forward. Forward. Forward. Leg forward. Forward. Hadi. Glitter.
Forward.
Yeah, up. Together. That's too far. Goodness. Get back. Harder, yeah? Let's do it.
I think hurts.
Look. Glitter. It's okay. Hold on. You down to see it? Come on.
So heavy.
There you go.
Heavy, Dada.
Well done, my love. Okay. Now, one leg forward. Which one is going forward? A little bit farther, a little bit farther. Okay. Down, and then it's one straight up.
Pardon me.
Well done. And then up. It goes up. Well done, Azine. This is great.
Challenge is not to fall.
İşte. İşte.
Sorry, see.
Do you want to put it down now? You've done enough weights. Do you want to put it down and then do you... No. Put them in the front.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, come back. Come back now, concentrate. This is why we stick to plan, okay? Let's see. Come and see. Now let's do it right, okay? Together. Balance it. Control it. Well done. Mamushte. Şırtışte. Show after. Well done, see.
Wow, I'm gonna Okay.
I want to do that.
Two more. Come on.
I need.
Yeah, gently.
That's enough. 2 is 2. Dad, 2 is 2.
Hadi. Good. That's it.
2 is 2.
Brilliant. Great work. Yeah?
Mother, you need to give back my sticker.
Now, see, you need to finish your sleeve. When you finish, it's all yours. Come on, position.
Okay. And give me my sticker back. I'm reference.
Okay, I'll give you when you finish. Your position, rival. Come on. You need to concentrate.
I'm sorry. Baby position.
Come on, see. Cheers. Come back. Come on, girl. You got this. Turn around.
Did look.
I see you need to concentrate. That's good, let's try it. Come on. I see you want to go to mommy? You want to go? Well, then you need to concentrate. We need to finish this on time. Okay? Which one do you want? Okay, good girl. Give us a little bit of space right now. If you don't know how to concentrate, then all your work will be very hard. So we always should prioritize and focus and concentrate, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
We are ready.
We are ready.
Ready.
Ready.
Ready.
Go.
Go!
حادة. ثلاثة. Sorry. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. شدشة. سبعة. ثمانية. What's next?
The next one is, okay, burpees.
No. There's one more first.
Burpees. I'm not sure what you have in mind because you didn't write it for me. I think now I know. Planks.
Yeah, ready? Steady? Go! Up! Hard.
Plants. The favorite.
ثلاثة. I know.
Funny plant.
ثلاثة.
Well, I do have a different way.
أربعة. سبعة. You got this. ثمانية. You want to take a break?
No, I'm not.
تسعة. You sure?
Yeah.
I don't.
Okay. Let's go then. Hurry.
Oh no.
Harder. ثلاثة.
Yeah.
Well done. That's the champion. Great work, great work.
How's my hand?
So that. Okay, حجي ناي قلعو بروجرام تودي الله. كازيا أنا قلت لي. Come on, up there. Okay.
I need to go.
You don't take anything by yourself.
Yeah, but those things are mine, so it's okay for me to take them.
All right, okay, well, okay. All right, انت قبل يا جوزي. وسي. Right?
Yeah. I need to get aloe vera.
Okay.
But we don't use aloe vera in juice. Aloe vera is only used in dinner.
Daddy, he was all about. Daddy, he was over to me.
لا قبل غوصي.
And that's what I mean. These things.
Isn't you? What is it? Pardon?
Vitamin D.
Can't hear you.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Good girl.
Vitamin D is one of the vitamin D is one of the vitamins that you have to get from the sun. That if you don't have enough sun, you can use this vitamin. It's chewable. So let me read.
Yeah, sure. You can see. They can see.
Chewable one that you can eat it. They have to eat it once a day. My sister eats it twice. Eats two, but I try to eat one. So eating this can give you protect you from serious disease. If you see, you might not be able to see, but we've got so many things that can
Okay.
kill us.
أبزي تاكن قبلين هجي.
Yay.
Right now we're gonna do
أبزي أنت يلا. أنت عايز.
spinach.
Spinach. Okay. نم أنت عايز spinach.
Spinach has got so much protein
Iron.
and iron.
Okay. So በዚህ አጋጣሚ እቲ ቁርሲ ክንገብሮ ከለና እንታይ ከም ንገብር
Wait,
What next?
strawberries.
Hansa, ቆርጸን ክንበል Hansa. Hansa ቆርጸን ክንሲ.
If you have a child who likes to eat strawberries, make sure they do not come in.
I love strawberries.
Don't eat it though.
Okay, let's strawberries are
So
Strawberries are favourites. So really love it. My sister.
حق زين حطها.
for me.
حطها حق زين.
Don't eat it. Don't
It's
eat
okay.
it. Okay, just a little. There, put it in there now.
Okay. Let's go. Next.
For blood pears.
So spinach, strawberry.
That's fine to see. Just put it in. Doesn't matter. Peanut, strawberry, and now blueberry. Very high in fiber.
Yep, and
And it's good for your health.
Daddy.
for your brain.
For your brain, okay.
I'm going to put, I'm going to do that.
So blueberries. Strawberries high in fiber. Blueberries has a chemical in it.
A chemical?
An agent in it.
I thought that
A healthy chemical. All of them
Oh,
have
okay.
chemical. So the ingredient in it is good for neuroplasticity. It helps your brain function better. So what's next?
Okay. Wait. Avocado. Not my favorite. Okay, wait. Let me cut that. Wait, Baba. I'll cut that. Don't worry.
Oh, what's your sister?
We used put avocado on our head the other day.
I'll get you.
Do you know what happened the other day?
What?
Mummy put avocado on her head, the haircut. And one
This
for
is-
my sister.
Come with now.
Oh, you almost put it in my ear. I'll get the seed passes. Avocado is high in fiber, gets nutrients.
I do
What's
this
up, what's
one
up?
too. Do this one too.
Okay. Sorry. There.
Let's see.
Don't worry. I'll take this one. Take that one. Don't worry. If you find some,
On the top of the
if you
thing.
see something like this, just
Concentrate in there. On the top, let's see. Right now.
you first take out the parts which are not good.
The rest is fine. It's fine. Come on, quick. Time. Everyone is watching. What is he? Oh, that's fine.
Avocado is high in fiber and good for your health. My mother also likes to eat it with honey. Also my grandma.
Focus on the information you're doing now. Do.
There. It's okay, let's see it. Don't worry. There. Everything there is good. Okay, now the fiber.
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Look at me. Can you help here? See? You do really well. Great work.
You're good at this. All you
Great
need to
work.
do now is scrape it.
She's almost done it.
Yeah, she almost did. I'm very proud. But you come quick, otherwise I'll miss to do the protein. Come on. Yeah. Okay, the protein.
Wait.
Let me push this a bit.
And instead of banana, we can add.
Mango!
Okay.
Can I try a bit?
Yeah.
You know that we like it. Okay. For me, please, so then I can see.
For me, please, so I can see.
You don't always have to copy me, please.
You should always copy her.
Okay. In words, though.
Everything.
Everything in
Yeah, مش عايز
words,
أقول
too.
تجاوبكم مش تجاوب الهوسلايت.
You know what she does?
You know what to do, like math, English. She didn't even know how to even say. She didn't even know what extraordinary means. No. Looks like a pineapple head.
Heavy.
This one. Before you see, get your mouth ready.
No, take it to see. Don't drop it though.
And drop it in your mouth. It's a delivery to your mouth. Oh. The juice, yeah.
Going.
Put it into that.
Okay.
The liver in the juice. The liver in the juice. The liver in the juice.
Once I eat, can eat. Let me cut it out first.
Okay. Can I eat one?
I'll get that.
Can I eat this?
I'll wash it. And here goes it. Look what I got.
Done. Clean?
Yeah, I washed it. Should I put it in there?
I know what you mean when you ask me that. And then, there's yours. You need to stop being cheeky though. What's it going to handy?
I want to drink, but I want to drink it.
What? Wait for it to be just then.
I want to eat it.
What? Can't believe this.
Yay!
Okay. So the Harazia, our favorite, بتعمل فتوى try blend. It's ناي هتسانات
There's
banana.
another one, but I don't like it.
هو it's ناي هتسانات banana تخونه يمرت. زي ناي banana flavor. it's ناي adult caffeine دلو تخون. تا coffee caramel تخونه يمرت. تم بنت فتوى مالتي. So
This one's high in fiber. It's also from Life.
what's in here? What's in here?
Oh, it's a banana.
No, this one.
Okay, and there is a
Pea,
pea,
guano,
nut,
and flaxseed.
flaxseed, and then it's squished together to make that. So
انقطع عتر
Dad,
داغوشا.
no gusha. Just saying, we're gonna eat the remaining bits.
Thank you, Hannah. Hannah is saying try blend banana flavor is the best. You got it. The heart, as good as 90 protein. Another very important and some food.
It's not my favorite, but my
Oat,
second.
organic porridge oat. So
Not
after
my
the porridge we
favorite,
go.
but my second favorite.
Wait.
I already got a favorite. That's sweet mix. Another healthy food.
All about, and this for all about. So this thing after all about.
Really, it's from Herbalife.
No, this is not from Herbalife. This
This is
porridge
from,
is.
it's from
Oh,
Herbalife.
the mankawa. More, Hasi, come on.
Get plenty. Fill it up.
More fiber. More fiber.
I'm gonna help it. Get.
More fiber. That's it. That's like it. Baka, no, baka. Right, we're set. This is all we need.
I eaten one.
Chicken.
Next,
No, my favorite.
what kind
This
of
is
milk?
mine and Hossie's favorite. It's oat milk. It's the best milk you can buy for your health. It's high in natron and it's low in fat. So it's very good. It's from oats and there's no added sugar. So it's good for your health. And it's easy to it's just easy to digest. But the cow milk may have some problems. Lactose, and that may lead to
Wait,
terrible to some diseases. So this
Yeah.
one doesn't lead.
وسي እዚኣ ፍርቂያ ነይራ ስለዚ ሓንቲ ኢና ንገብር ኩሉ ግዜ እቲኣ ግን ንሻሂ ገለ ተኸፊታ ነይራ
Oi! Oi!
ኦይ ሲሊ መግሲ ኣልግሲ
Oh, yummy.
Right, now it's about time to
Juice it up!
do the magic. No, you don't have to.
Okay, if we see, put it lower, you will see that this one is quite magical since you can make a drink, ice cream, soup, and maybe you can
Concentrate and just try ballet.
this, and then you can make this, and you also you can wash it. So these 5 things will.
Come on, action. We just want to drink our juice. That's all.
There.
Don't press it. Try it.
Ta-da!
Right. So
If you want, I can cut it.
now juice is
Cut
serving.
it out.
Right, Valley?
You can cut it out for you.
It's okay. No. You don't need that one now. Put it. Have no
You
more.
want to eat it.
She's mango.
She's a mango girl.
She's a mango girl.
Mango garden.
Okay. So እዚኣ ኩላ ነገር ንዕኦም ክንቦም ንደሊ at least everything ከም ህፃን ክህልዎ ዘለዎ መዓዛ ክንዲ ዝደይ በልዐ ክንዲ ትደይ ኮነ ድበሃል የለን that's it ብሰለን በዓዛ ደሻቅል ነገር የብለይን ትደድልዮም fiber ደድልዮም fruit ደድልዮም መዓዛ first thing in the morning ካብታ ቀዳመይቲ ሾቶም More? Would you like to try?
This is for Mum.
Okay. Abby.
Which one would you like? This one? I think this one is best. No, Daddy.
Okay, so
Mr. Canal. Daddy, can I have Mr. Canal's back?
not نبينا عند كجبرة خينا زي it takes just شوعة دقائق وقلة إن شاء الله بفلاي نقوم مستبتد زي قتمت من ذلك and this is yours. Be careful, right, buddy. Listen, check. This one is yours. This one is yours.